What's up, guys? A Coast here. And I've got some physical protection for your iPhone 11 Pro Max. Actually, not only iPhone 11 Pro Max, but every iPhone. So I've got a white Urban Armor Gear UAG in general Pathfinder case, and this is in fact one of the best case available right now. So I've got this one in white to match my iPhone's finish, and this is Pathfinder series with some rugged protection. And it actually protects your iPhone very well, and it doesn't even cost too much, like just 40 bucks for an iPhone that cost more than $1,000. And this case actually claims to be called as a military drop tested phone cases ever. Actually, I never had a UAG case before, but this is literally my first UAG case. And so if you see the case, this white black portion right here is made for some kind of drop or like shock protection, shock absorption, and it has some clicky buttons outside the phone designed specially for this. And it's very bold, made of some kind of hard plastic, and it's very easy to put the phone inside. But if you're like me, you've just got a UAG case for the very first time, so for you, actually for me too, it was pretty dang hard to put it inside for the very first time, but with time goes on, you will learn it. So just look at this. I'm a noob. When putting a case inside the phone is impossible for me. But you can do like this to put your phone inside, and buttons really feel very clicky, and camera cutout is just perfect with all the dimensions, everything. The speaker grills and charging port is perfect. The volume rockers and the mid switch ringer is perfect, and even the side buttons. It's reachable actually, and buttons are really clicky. They respond like the original phone button itself. And just look at that borders. I mean, just yeah, look at those borders. People say the UAG case don't protect the borders. It actually does. It actually does protect your borders from all the sides. So of course, if you drop this phone with a UAG case on it from even 50 feet, the phone will not break. This is not my experience, but I'm telling you guys, I've seen so many times. So that is, guys, the UAG Pathfinder white case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, press the like button to let me know. Thanks for watching. And hold on, wait a sec, the video hasn't ended yet. So meet one of my best friend in Fortnite. He's Lil Sweaty. Huge shout out to you, bro. We have won so many matches together. After all, he's a pro. And thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to use my supported creator code techghost_YT. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace out.